Hello friends, welcome back to Mama's Love. Today in this video we will learn how to make homemade herbal hair oil. If you are suffering from hair loss, then this oil is a perfect remedy for you to stop your hair fall and to grow new hairs. So let's start with the video. Here comes our ingredients. First you need to take coconut oil, as coconut oil fights with the dandruff, moisturize dry hairs and add shine. Next, you need to take mustard oil. Mustard oil is rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids which stimulate hair growth. Next, I am taking black seeds. We call black seeds as kalonji also. Kalonji is very good to treat hair loss, premature grey hairs and dandruff. Next, I am taking fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are also called methi. They are rich in protein and fight with variety of scalp issues. Next is onion. Onion provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hairs. Next, what I am taking is hibiscus. Hibiscus flower is rich in vitamin C and this flower increases the blood circulation under the scalp which stimulate the hair growth. Next, I am taking curry leaves. Curry leaves are rich source of beta carotene and protein which reduces the hair loss and hence increase hair growth. Now let's start with the procedure. After cooking it well at a low flame for next 10 to 15 minutes, keep it at some safe place. Leave it like that for overnight. Next morning, strain the oil and pour it in any bottle type container. Your homemade herbal oil is ready to use. You can use this oil for complete 1 to 1.5 months. Well, this is my own experience, own tested hair oil, and I can say that it actually works. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, please do like the video, share it and do subscribe my channel. And if you are suffering from hair loss, please do try this hair oil. It actually works. So for now, have a good day. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching.